Baking soda, otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white powdery substance used primarily as an ingredient in baking. Though you may not know it, baking soda can be great for your hair, skin, and body. In fact, baking soda can help you look your best from head to toe. And the best part is that it can be found right in your house. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, looks like a crystal in its natural form, but it's usually found as a fine powder. It helps kill bacteria and fungi, clean out germs, and stop swelling. It is also great for fighting any disease from colds to oral problems and skin issues. But what if we were to tell you that outside of these two more widely known uses, baking soda can be used to fulfill a variety of other needs as well? Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to my channel. Today I will present 9 unexpected health benefits of baking soda for hair, skin, and body. Number 1. Treats body odor. Baking soda can get rid of even very bad body odor. It is one of the most natural ways to remove bad smells. It helps catch sweat from the skin and kill the bacteria and make the body smell. Number 2. Removes dandruff. It may be hard to get rid of dandruff, especially in the winter, but it can be done. If you take good care of your hair, you can easily get rid of dandruff. Baking soda is one way you can get rid of the white flakes on your scalp and hair. It cleans the scalp and helps clear out flakes. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and rub it onto your wet hair and scalp. Leave it in for a minute and then wash it out very well with water. Do this only once a week. Number 3. Treats smelly and oily hair. It's very embarrassing to have smelly hair, and people with oily hair are more likely to have this problem. Oily hair picks up things in the air and strong smells more quickly. A good way to fix this problem is with baking soda. It lowers the oiliness and fights bad smells. Number 4. Brightens yellow teeth. Baking soda is great for making your teeth shine. Because it's slightly rough, it takes away the yellow stain from your teeth. It also helps get rid of plaque by fighting the acid from this bacteria. Just put a little baking soda on your toothbrush together with your regular toothpaste. Brush your teeth like usual for 2 minutes. Do it once a day for a few days. Make sure not to use too much baking soda because it will take the protective enamel covering off your teeth. Number 5. Relieves sunburns and sunburn blisters. It's a great idea to keep a box of baking soda nearby during the summer. Because of its alkaline nature, baking soda is great for soothing sunburns and will help stop the burning and itching. It can also help sunburn blisters dry out quickly. Number 6. Improves skin complexion. An even skin tone is a problem for a lot of people. If you're looking for a cheap, easy way to make the skin bright with an even tone, try baking soda. Baking soda will help clean out dead skin cells. It will also even out the acid level of the skin, which is important for even and clear skin. Number 7. Fights acne and pimples. You don't need to use chemicals to get rid of acne and pimples. Baking soda can do that for you easily. Because baking soda cleans germs and stops swelling, it can take away the signs of acne and other breakouts and treat the cause for them at the same time. Baking soda also helps the skin's acid level and helps stop skin from breaking out again. Number 8. Use baking soda for oral hygiene. Hate that stinging sensation that mouthwash can sometimes cause? Why not try rinsing your mouth with baking soda instead? Simply mix a spoonful of baking soda with warm water and swish around as usual. Because of its granular nature, baking soda does an excellent job reaching the nooks and crannies in and between your teeth that you might have missed while brushing or flossing. Number 9. Use baking soda for insect bites. Nothing is more relaxing than taking a serene hike through nature in the summertime, that is, until you get home and realize you're covered in itchy mosquito bites. To relieve itching from bug bites, bee stings, and other sources, try soaking the affected area in water mixed with a few cups of baking soda in order to lessen the irritation. That's 9 unexpected health benefits of baking soda for hair, skin, and body. If you enjoy watching this video, please share it to your friends.